Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we are on a 2023 Sea Ray 19 SPX. This is one of the award-winning 19-foot models in this segment. It's going to come with a lot of nice features that make this boat just a great day boat, great runabout. First one being this gray interior. They call it stone. It's going to be nice like you can see in this Georgia heat. It's going to keep the upholstery a little bit cooler than some of the other colors on the market. Flooring is also going to be a nice infinity woven vinyl. It does snap out, so if you just want to go with the textured fiberglass underneath, you can do that. Some of these hotter days, you're going to want a lot of coverage, so this bimini top is going to offer the most amount of coverage. You're going to have coverage from your beginning of your windshield all the way back to your sun pad. We have optioned this one pretty well with the dual captain's chairs, the digital SIMRAD, Bluetooth Fusion radio. This boat is going to be a great boat for you and 9 of your friends to be on. It's going to have plenty of power to do that, thanks to our 4.5 liter Mercury 200 horsepower inboard motor. It's going to be powered by dual batteries, so if you're out in the cove, you can have one battery on and have a second one in case you're using the radio and you need a second battery to help start the boat. You're going to have plenty of storage back here for your cooler and all the bags, pool noodles, and miscellaneous things. This boat is available here on Lake Lanier, Georgia at our Cumming location. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Our number is down in the link below.